Plants make many chemical compounds for biological functions, including defense against insects, fungi, and herbivorous mammals. Over 12,000 active compounds are known to science. Some 20 to 25% of the drugs used in modern medicine use such chemicals derived from plants. These chemicals work on the human body in exactly the same way as pharmaceutical drugs, so herbal medicines can be beneficial and have harmful side effects just like conventional drugs. However, since a single plant may contain many substances, the effects of taking a plant as medicine can be complex. Further, the chemical content and pharmacological actions, if any, of many medicinal plants remains unknown, and the possible benefits and safety of many such plants have not been tested. Medicinal plants are widely used in non-industrialized societies, not least because they are far cheaper than modern medicines. The annual global export value of pharmaceutical plants in 2012 was over $2.2 billion US. In many countries there is little regulation of traditional medicine, but the World Health Organization is coordinating a network to encourage safe and rational usage. Medicinal plants face both general threats such as climate change and habitat loss, and the specific threat of overcollection to meet market demand. In this video we will attempt to list the more important pharmaceutical drugs made from plants. Simply for general information and do not intend for it to be used for medical purposes. Acetyldigoxin. Acetyldigoxin is a cardiac glycoside. It is an acetyl derivative of digoxin and an isomer of S-acetyldigoxin. Its positive cardioinotropic effect starts after 3 to 4 hours and maximizes after 6 to 8 hours. With a biological half-life 40 hours. It is prescribed for congestive chronic cardiac failure class 2, 3, and 4. It is a cardiotonic. A cardiac stimulant is a substance which acts as a stimulant of the heart, for example, via positive chronotropic or inotropic action. Examples of cardiac stimulant drugs are cocaine and methamphetamine. Acetyldigoxin, like many other cardiac glycoside, can be derived from the Digitalis lanata, also known as Grecian foxglove, woolly foxglove. Digitalis lanata is a species of foxglove. It gets its name due to the texture of the leaves. Digitalis lanata, like some other foxglove species, is highly toxic in all parts of the plant. Given the average percentage of digoxin and digitoxin in the plant to be less than 2%, nearly 2,000 pounds would have to be consumed by a 200 pounds adult to die. Adonoside is AC23. Steroids with methyl groups at C10 and C13 and a 5-membered lactone at C17. They are a glycone constituents of cardiac glycosides and must have at least one double bond in the molecule. The class includes cardodienolides and cardotrienolides. Members include digitoxin and their derivatives and the strophanthins. A cardiotonic, a cardiac stimulant, is a substance which acts as a stimulant of the heart, for example, via positive chronotropic or inotropic action. Examples of cardiac stimulant drugs are cocaine and methamphetamine. Derived from Adonis vernalis, known variously as pheasant's eye, spring pheasant's eye, yellow pheasant's eye, and false hellebore, is a perennial flowering plant in the buttercup family Ranunculaceae. It is found in dry meadows and steppes in Eurasia. Isolated populations are found from Spain in the west across Central Europe, with fine examples in Valais, Switzerland, and southern Europe, reaching southern Sweden in the north and Abruzzo in the south, with its main area of distribution being the Pannonian Basin and the West Siberian Plain. In contrast to most other European Adonis species, the flowers appear in springtime, and are up to 80 mm in diameter, with up to 20 bright yellow petals. The plant is poisonous, containing cardiostimulant compounds, such as adonidine and aconitic acid. In addition, it is often used as an ornamental plant. Essin, or essin, is a mixture of saponins with anti-inflammatory, vasoconstrictor and vasoprotective effects found in Aesculus hippocastanum, the horse chestnut. Essin is the main active compound in horse chestnut, and is responsible for most of its medicinal properties. Essen is an anti-inflammatory, which refers to the property of a substance or treatment that reduces inflammation or swelling. Aesculus hippocastanum, also known as horse chestnut, is a species of flowering plant in the soapberry and lychee family Sapindaceae. It is a large deciduous, sinoaceous tree, commonly known as horse chestnut or conker tree. Is now threatened as its population is decreasing. The ruby red horse chestnut will grow in full sun or light shade and prefers moist, well-drained, acid soils but grows in slightly alkaline soil. A large tree, growing to about 39 meters, 128 feet, tall with a domed crown of stout branches. On old trees the outer branch is often pendulous with curled up tips. The leaves are opposite and palmately compound, with 5 to 7 leaflets. Each leaflet is 13 to 30 centimeters long, making the whole leaf up to 60 centimeters across, with a 7 to 20 centimeters petiole. The leaf scars left on twigs after the leaves have fallen have a distinctive horseshoe shape, complete with 7 nails.